a fish tank.
Cool.
Could you help me find some animals to put in there?
Yeah, totally.
Let's see. Oh my god, look at this sea star. What are you talking about? Oh, this is probably the sea star wasting syndrome.
3.
What?
What's the sea star wasting syndrome?
The sea star wasting syndrome is a dramatic decrease in the population of sea stars in consequence of global warming. Global warming is the increase of temperature in the Earth's atmosphere.
How does global warming affect the sea stars?
Global warming creates a warmer climate. The warmer climate warms the cold water, causing the virus to spread. Virus can travel easily through warm waters.
How would you be able to tell if a sea star has the disease?
Lesions and tissue decay would appear on the body and arms of a sea star, causing a deflated appearance.
I just searched up the disease. It says that the disease is from Alaska to California and along the west coast, and it has started since the summer of 2013. The disease spreads from species to other species, and the larger species of starfish, such as the orca and sunflower, have experienced major declines. The disease seems to be localized in the west coast because that is where most of the sunflower and orca sea stars are, which are some species that are affected. Since they are the most abundant species, they are more prone to getting the disease. It can affect other species such as the sea urchins and happen in multiple places at once.
Let's look at some locations.
The location was in Saddleburg, North Cove, and the species was Pisaster orchias. The lowest was the fall of 2015, and there were 2, and the highest was in summer 2014, where there were 48. The time range goes from summer of 2009 to fall of 2016. The trend starts by going high, then gets low, then gets to its highest, then drastically gets lower and stays there.
This is the graph for Hat Island West for the species of Pisaster orchias. The lowest was in spring of 2015, and there was 1. The highest is in the summer of 2014, and there were 22. The time range is from the summer of 2009 to the fall of 2016. The trend starts out high and then gets lower. Later it gets back high and then drastically lowers and stays around there. The location is Hat Island East. The species is Pisaster orchias. The lowest is the summer of 2015 and the fall of 2015 and the summer of 2016 when there was 0. The highest was during the summer of 2010 when there were 10. The time range is from the summer of 2010 to the fall of 2016. The trend starts out at its highest and slowly decreases and gets to its lowest point.
This is our graph showing how kelp, sea urchins, sea otters, and 1 other species that the sea stars interact with are affected. The title of the species count in Damnation Creek, the x-axis season, and the y-axis are the species count.
The sea star population, which is the red line, is the accurate information. The sea turtle, sea otter, sea urchin, and kelp populations are based on the sea star population. The kelp and sea turtle populations are raised, while the sea otter and sea urchin population are lowered. The solution for this disease could be getting rid of the greenhouse gases, or to prevent global warming. To accomplish this, society should try to decrease the burning of fossil fuels, which eventually creates less CO2 in the air. This will lessen global warming.